Hi, I'm Mark from Line Dance for Health, and today I'd like to share a line dance called Full Moon Woo. The artist is Full Moon Alice, and the song title is called Woo Woo. So, the songwriter of this song is Rachel of the T Sisters. It's a really fun song. The lyrics are really cool. The arrangement. Let's get started. We're going to start with two Charleston. So, Charleston, we're going to step up on the right and back on the right, back on the left, and up on the left. So it's right, right, left, left, right, right, left. And we can add a little swing, and a left, and a swing, and a swing. And then you can add a little bit of arms if you like. Charleston, Charleston, Charleston. All right, we're going to do two sets of those. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From here, we're going to go ahead and go with a grapevine to the right and to the left. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We continue with our Charleston. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we're going to do a rolling vine, which is a grapevine, but we're going to roll. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and roll. All right. So that's part one of the dance. We're going to go ahead and put all that together. Here we go. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. All right, part two. We're going to go ahead and slide to the right, turn and slide to the left, turn and slide to the right, turn and slide to the left. A little 4-slide thing. And then we're going to go ahead and walk right, left, right, left. We're going to do that 4 times. So that's 1. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7. You guessed it. It's 4. So that's part 2. So we're going to do parts 1 and 2 of the dance. We're going to do parts 1 and then 2, and then parts 1 and 2, and then parts 1 and 2, and parts 1 and 2, and then we're going to do parts 2, and then 1 and 2. So it's 11 rounds. It's going to be so much fun. All right, there is a little bit of styling at the beginning and the end of the dance. So at the beginning of the dance, we're going to actually face the back wall, kind of head down, hands crossed. We're going to hear this great intro and this guitar crescendo, and then we're going to go ahead and turn around and look up. And then the lyrics will say, "It's been staring at me," and we stare and we look up, kind of question why, and then we just have a flowing movement with our arms, and then we step out in love. So let's go over that. We're going to go ahead and lean down, arms crossed, guitar, we turn around, we look up, we stare, we look up, question why, arms are flowing, and love. So that's the intro to the dance. At the end, we're going to go ahead, there's a woo woo, so we're just going to come out and we're going to woo woo, or woo woo, or woo woo, or woo woo woo, and then sparkly fingers. How's that sound? Sparkly. All right. So that's the dance. It's called Full Moon Woo. I hope you enjoy it. Let's go ahead and try with the music.
been roughed up, talked down, and I've been schooled. But at least I know I've been a fool. It's been staring at me. Oh, why didn't I see? And I hope it's not too late to go. Somewhere way down the track, oh, I thought I'd hop on, see how this journey unfolds. Now I'll never look back, and I know I wasn't wrong. Oh, I'll stay on this train till I'm old. Whoa, whoa, I hear it coming. Whoa, whoa, it's in the air. Whoa, whoa, there'll be no more running, 'cause I'm already there. Whoa, whoa,
was Full Moon Woo. Artist is Full Moon Alice. Song is Woo Woo.